Hi guys, we're going to go out and try and photograph some hares today, so fingers crossed they show up and let's get the camera and get going. Today's the perfect day because it's a nice clear day with good light and there's a bit of a breeze to my face, which makes photographing things like hares much easier. Okay guys, I think I've just seen one up ahead, so I'm going to go down on my belly and see how close I can get. I am absolutely buzzing. That was so much fun and pretty lucky, but really happy with the shots. Woohoo!